Your engine deserves the best. GS55545M4, a premium engine oil specially formulated for 0W20 and 0W30 viscosity grades. Instant cold start protection, maximum performance in extreme heat. Its advanced anti-wear formula ensures longer engine life, better fuel efficiency, and smoother performance mile after mile. Whether you're driving in freezing winters or scorching summers, GS55545M4 keeps your engine fully protected at all times. Don't compromise on quality. Give your engine what it truly deserves. High performance, total protection. GS60545M4, a fully synthetic engine oil engineered for 0W20 and 0W30 viscosity specifications. Designed for modern high-performance engines, it delivers outstanding protection in both cold and extreme heat conditions, reduces engine wear, improves fuel economy, and extends engine life significantly. Whether you're on a short city drive or a long highway run, GS60545M4 performs when it matters most. For drivers who refuse to settle for anything less than the best, GS60545M4, the oil your engine trusts.